was the first time in my career where the entire jury had stayed behind. And they were a very attentive group, a very involved. They were listening, and they were honest with us. Their main thing was that they wanted to look at the evidence. They didn't want to judge a book by its cover, and they wanted to follow the law. Now they reiterated that to us earlier. They said we wanted to follow the law. Well, it was a few things. One, they didn't trust the co-defendants. They just did not believe that they were credible people. And then the other, as far as the evidence, they felt like there was nothing else other than the co-defendant's word. And they were not comfortable convicting these young men solely based upon that person's word. I mean, there was no DNA, there was no forensics, no ballistics. There wasn't any independent eyewitness or anything along those lines that they felt that they could attach to as far as evidence for a conviction. It makes you feel good because you're looking at the case and you're just saying, this is what I believe, and you're listening to your clients and they're telling you, the full picture and giving the context. And you don't always get to convey that to the jury. And that's kind of the scary point as the attorneys. So, but having the jury that's willing to listen and look, because the trial was almost a week and a half, and take that time out and still not rush and say, well, I'm ready to get back to work, or I got this other stuff that's going on with my kids, and say that, you know what, we don't feel comfortable with this. It's huge. We don't always get that in jurors. I think we had a very good jury, a jury who, afterwards you can kind of hear them talking with each other. So I'm hoping that they made friends with each other going forward.